let this be clear. Any lawmaker who votes to impeach VP Inday Sara is declaring war on the 32 million Filipinos, especially the nearly 4 million Cebuanos who gave their historic mandate to Inday Sara. You are choosing the interest of the post-subdivision clique over the struggling masses of Cebu. Puro pang elitista ang inyong gihimo, gikalimtan na ninyo ang mga pobre ng mga Cebuano o mga Pilipino. Our ultimatum, we are mobilizing our parallel groups across every barangay in Cebu. We will launch a massive No Vote 2028 campaign against every representative who betrays the Vice President. If you vote for impeachment, you are effectively resigning your seat in 2028. We stand against corruption. We march on for independence. We stand with the truth. We stand with Sara Duterte. Cebu Alliance for Duterte 2028 para sa Sugbo, para sa nasod. Daghang salamat.